Hi, I'm Rod Kurthy, and we're at TBSE meeting right now, and I have Paul with me, who is one of our users of the core whitening system. Paul, introduce yourself to our viewers here, and then after you do that, you're talking to other dentists out there right now. What would you tell dentists who are not using the core system?
Okay, I'm Paul Grussemeyer. I'm from Cherry Hill, New Jersey. That's where my practice is. And I've been in practice for over 32 years. Like most dentists out there, I learned most of my information about whitening from the companies themselves and their representatives. Until I heard Rod speak on one of the Matter Brothers CDs. So that's where I found out about it.
Okay, all right.
And then I started investigating things, and right now I know a lot of the biology and the chemistry of what goes on with the whitening systems, and it's very important.
Yeah.
And it made me understand that there is a large difference between or among all the systems. And Rod's is definitely the best, especially after we've been using it on our patients.
Yeah. Now, you were just telling me about your own teeth, about
Yes.
when you tried it, that you've had sensitivity, and you were showing me the recession and abfractions. Tell them what you were telling me about what happened when you did your own.
Well, to start out, I grew up old school. We had the harder to brush, the better. So I have a lot of recession from that, and abfractions from grinding my teeth. So my teeth were very sensitive with cold things, and in general. And I tried some of the older whitening systems, and you get the zingers and very sensitive. So of course, when we got Rod's system in, I always make myself the guinea pig in the office, and I like to help go to work on me. And it was very comfortable. I had maybe one zinger like that day, a day later, not much sensitivity at all. The desensitizers really work. Your system works great. Yep.
Okay. Well, Paul, thank you very much. It was good talking to you.
Nice meeting you again.
Enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye, everybody.